Hello everyone, I am Shubda Usarkar and today we are discussing a very important term used in history, that is BC, AD, CE and BCE. Whenever our parent tells some story, they used to say many years ago, many days back. It means they wanted to tell us the time period of that story. Same as when history was being written, we needed to decide the time period of that incident, events. Dionysius Exiguus was the person who has given the concept of BC and AD. For this, he needed to give a reference point, and he has given the reference point as a birth of Jesus Christ. Before the birth of Jesus Christ, we put BC, and after the birth of Jesus Christ, we put AD. BC stands for before Jesus Christ and AD stands for Anno Domini. Anno Domini means in the year of God. Isn't it look like a number line which has been used in maths? Here origin point is 0, all the positive integers fall on the right hand side and all the negative integers fall on the left hand side. One difference is that here the birth of Jesus Christ, that is also a reference point, it is considered as a first date, first month and first year. We cannot consider any year as a zero. That's why whenever we move left hand side, 2, 300, 200, 300 and so on. And when we move right hand side, 2, 300, 200 and till now. Let's take an example. Gautam Buddha was born in 563 BC. Here BC is written, that's why it will come on the left hand side, and death 483 BC. Birth year, that is 563, will fall between 500 to 600, and death year, that is 483, will fall between 400 to 500. This thing is to be remembered that whenever we move from left hand side to right hand side, हमेशा ईयर इंक्रीज होंगे, हम पास्ट से प्रेजेंट की तरफ जाएंगे. तो पहले बर्थ होगा, उसके बाद डेथ ईयर आएगा. तो जो बर्थ ईयर है वो बिगर है, फिर भी ये पास्ट में हुआ है, पहले हुआ है, उसके बाद डेथ ईयर आता है. तो जो जितना बीसी में जो जितना बिगर है वो उतना ही पास्ट में हुआ है. लेट्स टेक अनदर एग्जाम्पल. लॉर्ड महावीर वॉज बॉर्न इन 599 BC to 540 BC. It will fall between 500 to 600. बर्थ ऑफ जीसस क्राइस्ट के 599 BC बैक, इतने ईयर्स बैक लॉर्ड महावीर का बॉर्न हुआ था और 540 ईयर्स बैक इनकी डेथ हुई थी. तो ये बिगर नंबर है जो पहले हुआ है, ये स्मॉलर नंबर है जो बाद में हुआ है. लेट्स टेक एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ एडी. समुद्रगुप्त, ही वॉज ऑल्सो नोन एज द नेपोलियन ऑफ नॉर्थ इंडिया. इनका जो राज्य था वो 335 AD to 375 AD था. AD इज रिटन हियर. ओके, तो AD है, इट मीन्स बर्थ ऑफ जीसस क्राइस्ट के राइट हैंड साइड में हम इसको मेंशन करेंगे. इट विल फॉल बिटवीन 300 to 400. This is all about BC and AD. Now, what is BCE and CE? As I have told you that Dionysius Exiguus, who has divided the time year into two halves, he was Christian. And that's why he has given the reference point as a birth of Jesus Christ. But Jewish people having problem in this. So they have given a new concept, that is CE and BCE. BCE means before common era and CE means common era. तो AD की जगह पे उन्होंने CE और BC की जगह उन्होंने BCE का कॉन्सेप्ट दिया. Sometime we see BC-AD concept, sometime we see BCE-CE concept. Read these sentences carefully. Indus Valley civilization lasting from 3300 BC to 1300 BC. Rather, I would say Indus Valley civilization lasting from 3300 BCE to 1300 BCE. It means हम BCE की प्लेस पर BC या BC की प्लेस पर BCE लिख सकते हैं. Both sentences are correct. Shivaji Maharaj born in 1630 AD, or we can say Shivaji Maharaj born in 1630 CE. AD की प्लेस पे CE या CE के प्लेस पे AD हम लिख सकते हैं. I hope you understood BC, AD and BCE CE concept. Thank you so much.